Hey there, welcome to this video. Now this is a walkthrough of Grabvid where I'm going to show you how you can use Grabvid to grab any piece of content and repurpose it into a beautiful video. So let's start by showing you the home screen. We've kept it very simple. You can either upload your own video or you can pick one of the videos from YouTube. So we'll search for, let's say, challenge funnel. Now this brings up a few different options, but of course I want to use the videos that have Creative Commons license with it. So just to check again, you can see that these are the videos that have Creative Commons licenses. I'm going to pick a shorter one just for the sake of this demo. And what this now does is it transcribes the entire content for us. So I want to keep it short, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of this. Once we have this, you can click on add punctuation, and this will punctuate to the best of its capabilities this content. So you can see this is what the punctuated content now looks like, and the paragraph breaks are important as well because it lets the voiceover know to give a bit more emphasis on that. Once you go with this, you can make some other changes too. For example, let's say if I want to select all of this, I can give it special voiceover. So I can change the emphasis to be moderate, I can change the pitch to be medium, I can add some other volume effects and other things to it as well. Then I can also use the translate feature to convert this into another language. I'll come back to this and show you this in just a couple of minutes. But what I want to do now is first show you the voiceover options. So I can click here and choose different voiceover options available. Let's see a couple of them.
Hello, this is a sample sound.
Hello, this is a sample sound.
Hello, this is a sample sound.
So I'll go with
Hello,
Matthew in this case.
This is a sample sound.
And I'll go with Matthew in this case. And as you can see, I've got a few different options here. I can now click on play and I'll be able to listen to what this sounds like. Let's check it out.
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson and I want to welcome you to my channel. I am so excited to have you here today, and I'm making this video because I was looking online and there's a whole bunch of people that have been...
So I'm hearing this and I think it was quite nice in the beginning, but then flattened out. Let's check it again.
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson and...
Fairly decent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the setting that I had here. So this was the previous changes that I've done for moderate and medium. So I'm going to select that for the entire text. So let's go ahead and select moderate and medium for this one. And I'm going to just play it one more time.
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson and I want to welcome you to my channel. I am so excited to have you here today. I'm making this video.
If you didn't like this one, you can just go ahead and pick another one. So let's check
Hello,
out.
this is a sample sound.
Let's check out what that sounds like.
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson and I want to welcome you to my channel. I am so excited to have you here.
So that sounds fairly decent to me. Of course, like I said, I can make some other changes to it too, but I'm going to run with this. Alternatively, I can also translate this into other languages, and we have voiceovers in those languages as well. We have 23 languages covered over here. So let's go ahead and click on next. Great. Now we've got a few templates already in here. We're going to have a few more over the coming days, but let's say if I wanted to test out a template, I can just click on it and see what it looks like.
Get ready for it.
So there you go. I'll stop the audio because we don't need it now, but I'm happy with this template. Let's go ahead and press add. Okay, so once we do that, the engine runs behind the scenes and it creates the canvas for us where the video is automatically populated, the audio is automatically populated, and text as captions are as well. In the future, we'll have an option to remove the text as captions, but for now you will see that the video is available, the text is available on top as well. I'll just wait for this to load up. So here we go. You can see what the video looks like. You can also see all the text here alongside it, and there is the canvas over here. So I'm just going to get rid of this because we don't need it. Let's play and look at what this looks like.
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson and I want to welcome you to my channel. I am so excited to have you here today. I'm making this video because I was looking online and there's a whole bunch of people that have videos to talk about how to make.
So you can move around text quite easily like this as well. You're able to essentially choose different videos at the back here too. So let me just play it from here.
and the other side.
There you go. So if you want to add more images to this, you can just click on add images. We've got quite a few images available here via integration. You can of course search with keywords as well. You can add videos too that we have populated, and we've got a bunch of sounds as well. I think I was told about 406 sounds available as well. Let me play one of these. So it's very easy for you to select and add it, and when you do, it is also easy for you to modulate the volume. So of course the voiceover, you want that to be the highest level possible, but the audios that you add, you want them to be perhaps lower so they don't interfere with the video in that case. Then you can also add more text. If you wanted to add more text to these slides, you're able to. If you wanted to add some stickers, some emoticons, you can do that as well. And then you can also change the background color in some cases if you're not going to be using video. So it is quite easy for you to do all these things. The voiceover is done automatically. If you want to resize the video from multiple media, you can do that as well. So you can have 16:9, you can have 9:16, which is full portrait, which is also used on TikTok and Instagram as well, stories. So this one, so it's very easy for you to create different variations of videos very quickly with this. Once you're happy with it, simply click on next, and this will give you an option to render the video. Just click here and the video will start rendering. It does take a few minutes for the videos to render, so you can always go back to the dashboard and you can see the video as it will be automatically populated in your dashboard over here as the video is rendered. This in short is Grabvid. There's a lot of features to it. Like I said, I didn't even show you the translate. Actually, let me go back and show you that very quickly because I like that one. I like how that is able to also have voiceovers in multiple languages. So it's not just English, but voiceovers in multiple languages. So there we go. Again, I'll select a little bit of text here just to speed things up. And let's go ahead and translate this to, say, French. There you go, the text is available, and I can go to voiceover and I can see options available in French. We're going to have more options available, but for now it's this one. Let's check it out.
Hello, this is a sample sound.
So there you go. Then it will be in French as well. So that's it. It's a very, very cool platform. I think it works really well. And if you have any questions, if there's something you'd like to know, reach out to me, ask questions. I'll be happy to guide you. This is Neil Napier. Thank you so much for watching this.